Are you using ChatGPT to do the tedious work you have to do every single day? If not, why not? My name is Chad. I'm the founder of Better Legal. I do $2.5 million in sales annually, and I use ChatGPT every single day. But today we're going to talk about a for instance that happened in real life. My friend was needing to collect a bunch of information from a bunch of different websites. They had links to all of the websites, and they were plugging them in and manually finding the information. So we went to ChatGPT plugin, specifically the scraper plugin, and we provided the links to ChatGPT, gave it the instructions and said, we need you to find the name, email address, phone number, physical address, etc., etc. And it gave us some incorrect information, but we talked through it. And this is a big unlock, is that you can actually correct ChatGPT if it gets something wrong. And after a few corrections, it was doing it every single time correctly. And so finally, instead of then copying and pasting the information into a spreadsheet, when we were done, we just said, give us all of the information that you have collected into a CSV. We took that CSV code, pasted it into Excel, expanded it, and then we had a spreadsheet. So we didn't even have to do the manual copying and pasting into the spreadsheet. Follow for more business stories, tips, and tools.